In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord loading chunk failed error. If you're seeing the loading chunk failed error when trying to open Discord, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by corrupted cached files or damaged application data that prevents Discord from loading correctly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of clearing the affected files and restoring Discord so it launches normally again. To begin, completely close Discord if it's currently running. Even if the main window is closed, Discord may still be running in the background. Check your taskbar or system tray, right-click the Discord icon if you see it, and choose Quit. This is important because Windows won't let you remove Discord's data folders while the application is still open. Next, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch the Run dialog. In the text box, type %appdata%, then click OK. This opens the roaming app data folder where Discord stores part of its application data. Scroll through the list until you find the Discord folder, right-click it, and delete it. If Windows tells you the folder is in use, double-check that Discord has been completely closed, then try deleting it again. After you've removed that folder, open the Run dialog one more time. This time, type %localappdata% and click OK. You'll be taken to another app data location that stores Discord's local cache and temporary files. Find the Discord folder, right-click it, and delete it as well. Removing both folders clears corrupted files that commonly trigger the loading chunk failed error. Once both folders have been deleted, open your web browser and search for Discord. Visit the official Discord website and get the latest version of the desktop application for Windows. Using the newest version ensures you're starting with fresh application files instead of the damaged ones that caused the problem. After the setup is complete, launch Discord again and sign back into your account if necessary. Since the old cache and application data have been removed, Discord will create new folders automatically during startup. In most cases, this resolves the loading chunk failed error and allows the app to open normally. If the problem continues, restart your computer before trying again to make sure no Discord background processes are still running. This gives Windows a fresh start and helps ensure all temporary files have been cleared properly. That's it. By closing Discord completely, deleting the app data and local app data Discord folders, and setting up a fresh copy of the application, you can fix the Discord loading chunk failed error and get back to chatting without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,